Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RV grill mount is probably one of the most versatile and convenient accessories for your RV, allowing you to enjoy delicious grilled meals wherever your adventures take you. This video will not only review the best RV grill mounts on the market but also provide you with all the information you need to choose the perfect one for your needs and preferences, ensuring that your next camping trip is filled with mouth-watering grilled delights. Number 5. Flame King YSNHT 500 RV Grill. This grill is designed to mount directly onto your RV or trailer, so you can enjoy delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. It's the perfect addition for outdoor cooking on the go. It's more than just a grill, it's a complete cooking station. It features an adjustable flame controller and a generous cooking surface, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. With its large 214 square inch cooking surface, it offers plenty of space to grill all your favorite foods. You'll have room for burgers, hot dogs, and more. This versatile grill can be mounted to your RV or used as a freestanding grill. It's perfect for tailgating, camping, or any outdoor gathering. It features locking retainer pins for secure mounting and a dual locking lid for safe storage. You can rest assured that it will stay put during travel. For easy connection, use Flame King hose model #100395-72 for your RV system and model #LPRH8 for a standard propane cylinder. Setup is quick and simple. What we like. It boasts a spacious cooking area, perfect for large gatherings. The adjustable flame ensures precise temperature control for any dish. If you need a versatile grill for both RV mounting and freestanding use, this is the one for you. What people say. Mounts perfectly to the side of our camper, hooks up easy and is great for grilling burgers, kebabs, and cooking on with cast iron skillets. This barbecue works perfect for our RV. It's easy to store and use in small spaces. This fits perfectly on a small area on the side of my motorhome. Easy to install, sturdy and lightweight. It hooks right to the propane tank already on our motorhome, so it's super convenient too. Number 4. Flame King 17 Griddle. It comes with a mounting bracket, so you can easily attach it to your RV or trailer. Enjoy cookouts wherever your adventures take you. Use the hanging rack as legs for a freestanding griddle, perfect for tailgating or camping. Or, simply place it on a tabletop. This convenient griddle includes a 12,000 BTU burner and an adjustable flame controller for precise temperature control. The large, non-stick griddle plate provides over 260 square inches of even cooking surface. It's ready for all your culinary creations. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the oil collection design with a detachable grease cup. Just wipe it down and you're done. To protect the non-stick coating, please use only wood, silicone, or nylon utensils. Avoid using metal utensils. What we like. This model features a large flat top griddle, ideal for cooking a variety of foods. Its non-stick surface and easy clean design make post-meal cleanup a breeze. If you enjoy cooking various foods on a flat surface and value easy maintenance, this griddle is your best bet. What people say. Works well. Extremely easy to assemble and has yet to disappoint. Cooks well, and fits our space perfectly. Skip the Blackstone, look no further, good product, good company. No rust or seasoning the flat top. If you are concerned with Teflon, Stan Broil sells a stainless steel rust-proof easy clean, flat top, exact fit with wind deflectors. I like to have all my camping accessories accessible, off the ground, on rails hanging on the outside of my camper. I added an additional very strong, mounted with silicone and screws through the wall into inside framing, grill table mount because the flat top is heavy and I like smash burgers. Camper level equals grill level equals nice. No running around looking for rocks and pieces of wood. No dirty table legs to clean. Number 3. Weber Q Series Grill Arm Table. This handy table is a perfect addition to your Weber Q grill. It provides extra prep space and stability, making your grilling experience even better. It's designed for simple installation. Just make sure you have the FLM 52321 mounting kit, it's required for secure attachment. It's built to last, providing a stable surface for your grilling needs. Enjoy years of reliable use with this robust addition to your grill setup. This table gives you extra room to prep your food. Keep your ingredients close at hand while you cook. It transforms your grilling experience. Enjoy more convenience and stability with this practical accessory. It's specifically designed for Weber Q Series grills. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This is a sturdy and reliable mounting arm, specifically designed for Weber Q grills. It's easy to install and provides a secure mount for your grill. If you own a Weber Q and want a convenient way to mount it on your RV bumper, this is the perfect accessory for you. Number 2. 52321 Bumper Grill Arm. This heavy-duty grill arm is built to last. Made of powder-coated steel, it offers superior strength and durability for your outdoor cooking needs. It easily mounts to most 4-box beam bumpers using U-shaped brackets. This ensures a secure and stable platform for your grill. The arm pivots in 2 points, allowing it to extend up to 40 degrees. This gives you the flexibility to position your grill perfectly. A linch pin securely locks it in place, whether you're grilling or traveling. This ensures safety and prevents accidental movement. It's compatible with sidekick grills, bumper grill tables, and a stainless steel RVAD 650 LP gas grill. Enjoy versatile grilling options. It's constructed from 14-gauge steel for lasting durability and resistance to the elements. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. What we like. Made from heavy-duty steel, it offers superior durability and stability. The extendable arm allows for flexible positioning, keeping heat and mess away from your RV. If you prioritize a robust and secure mounting solution with adjustable reach, this is the arm for you. What people say. As in the picture, I use mine on the camper, but it could be mounted to any tailgate. Sturdy, easy locking pen, easy to install. It took me about 10 minutes to mount it to the back of my fifth wheel. The Flame King, YSNHT 500 gas grill was attached and hooked up within seconds. When you are done, you take off the grill, put it back into its traveling position and slip in the lock pin. Easy to install, hand for on-the-road stops. Hold my Weber 2000 perfectly. Number 1. 52321 Bumper Grill Arm Assembly. This innovative grill arm assembly lets you transform your RV's shade area into the ultimate outdoor cooking and party space. It's perfect for tailgating or any outdoor event. Its unique design allows grilling even in tight spaces, such as stadium parking lots or tailgating events. You can enjoy delicious food wherever you go. It features heavy-duty U-shaped brackets that securely attach to your RV's 4-inch bumper. A locking pin ensures safe transport. Move it up to 25 inches away from your RV to keep heat, grease, and mess far away from your vehicle. Enjoy clean grilling every time. The durable black powder coat paint finish will keep it looking great for years to come. It's an investment in outdoor fun that will last. It's simple to set up and take down, making it perfect for spontaneous gatherings or planned events. Enjoy the convenience and versatility it offers. What we like. Made from heavy-duty steel, it offers superior durability and stability. The extendable arm allows for flexible positioning, keeping heat and mess away from your RV. If you prioritize a robust and secure mounting solution with adjustable reach, this is the arm for you. What people say. Fits grill perfect, solid construction, just what I needed. Not much play in the arm, and it locks away when not in use. It does sag a little with the grill mounted, so it's not 100% level, but close enough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.